My name is Inge Combrink. I work for Decision Crew. I started off in sales, but at the moment I'm doing more content creation, doing a lot of designs and also digging in a bit into the marketing. Decision Crew is a data and analytics consultancy, and we are based in Bonn in the Netherlands, but we have clients right across the world. So our reach is massive. Since joining Decision Crew, I've learned a lot. I have been doing things I've never done before. I've also learned a lot about data and analytics. And to be fair, I didn't know anything about it when I entered the company. I'm passionate about the company for many reasons, and I think the personal one is a big one for me. My brother is the CEO and founder of the company, so it's always important for me to not disappoint him. And I know how passionate he is, and it rubs off on me as well. And I love him, and I want him to succeed and to gain all the success that he deserves. I think at the heart of our values is the culture. The way we work allows each team member to be flexible, to spend time with their family. We are passionate about helping our clients grow and to really understand what they need. I think many companies go into a situation and they think they know the problem without really listening to what the issue is and what the company needs or wants. And I think we are really good at that. Decision Crew, I think, still has a lot of untouched potential. I feel like it's just full of potential and the sky's the limit. And we want to be different. We don't want to be like just every consultancy. We want to make a difference with data.